the mother's flower garden. So as I said about this garden style, we started this place. You see, it was totally thorny. You can see the top also on the top. You can see full of thorny and mullus, as you say. It was when you
walk around.
You can, yeah.
Two steps.
And this land also, like for us, it is a land. When we started to look for the land, it came just organically, magically. We didn't know this. This is the place named mother has named the Mahalakshmi Park. So this is you see the Mahalakshmi Park is that side. It is extended to here. So this is also a kind of a miracle for us to know about the space. And when we see the space, we cannot enter because you are full dense. So when you start, how can you move? Because they are so dense, and how can you need more manpower? Also, as you said, the cost wise, also it will a lot for us. So luckily, Auroville helps a lot. As you said, land board, and when you wrote to the land board, please, we need help to clear up the land, and we cannot bear the cost. Could you please help? So really, they come further, and they helped to clean the land. You can see at least this much has cleaned well, and we are there already. We got the permission to we got the permission to clear under bushes only, because we did not touch the trees, nothing, only under bushes cleaning. That was the permission given by the TDC, and we follow. And also land board, they helped a lot cleaning up. As you say, we used we started it. This is December. Because it took this much area, only they clean. They took like February, beginning of February. You can feel that how much dense it was. So then, when you clean,
clearing it, how was it done? Was it done with machines, or was it done with the shovel?
Yeah, all with the hands they did the shovel initially. As you said, the cutting the mullus. But when because the mullus are on the ground, all that the packed, you can say patches, so they cannot move it. So we asked the Matri Mandir to provide us the bobcat, the small JCB, So we took from them, and it really worked for the 4 days almost, and to that move the mullus and everything to one side. So then after
you cannot touch with bare hand because of thorns. They are so thorny, you cannot touch them.
Yeah, so those thorny. So, and because there was some dead also trees there, all the root there.
Also there.
Yes, so we need to move that. Otherwise, you cannot walk. Those things also we needed, because it cannot be done with the hand. It is not so easy.
We tried as much as possible manually.
Yeah.
Whatever could not be done by human being, we did it by small machines.
So that till the end, we did not visualize that how we'll do the inauguration, the opening of the Mother's Flower Garden. But Mother's Grace, we started on the 21st of February, and you can see that this continued really well. We are really happy for the space. We can see the energy, you can see the morning atmosphere, the birds are there, nature is so beautiful and charming also. And now you can see that we have also cleared some of the underbushes. We need to go more far because it's a 5-acre land, and slowly we'll move further.
Just 1 minute.
Yeah.
So we planted from seed onwards and sapling. We started with Matri Mandir nursery. We reared these plants from October onwards.
Yeah.
And then you see the result here for this exhibition. So we were preparing for this exhibition on this ground from October onwards. So So Matri Mandir nurseries also helped us a lot in giving the land
space
for nursery, time being till we get a land, and the water for the nursery.
And
it also helped us a lot.
And how are you sourcing the water and things like that? Is it
now So you can when we started planning to have the exhibition, like as you said, the water is the first necessity. The water has the source, because we said we'll water the treated water, the recycled water. So this is our motto, that whatever wastewater community has, how to channelize to the garden.
Maximum from the community Auroville.
Yeah.
So now, right now,
yeah.
we took
Sure.
the help
Right
of
now,
the solar kitchen. and they were kind enough to allow us to have the
What
recycled
kind
water.
of water is coming from Solar
It's
Kitchen?
solar kitchen
Clean
recycled
water?
water. It's
Recy-
recycled water.
Oh, they have recycled.
Wash
Yeah.
water and all those things. There's a pond there, and and it's their pump, and we are pumping from that through the pipes, temporary rubber pipes, hose pipes to this place. So mostly for this we are using only wastewater recycled, and recycled wastewater we are using, and just for hand wash we are using fresh water.
The hand wash also they give it connection for the hand wash because very limited use. So only the
Actually a very
waste.
good arrangement, right? So you have regular water. You don't have to worry so much about water.
Yes,
Yeah.
and they give us electrical connection also.
Ah, okay.
For
Yeah,
working. We are just using it for working in the morning, early morning and late evenings.
Yes, at the beginning we need really.
So when like that, we start
So
growing the flowers.
yeah, that will be the, as you said, we just got the land, and it's just initial stage. We need also to see the whole land, the landscaping, the many things it aligned.
Some drawings.
So,
We- yeah.
so can I?
Yeah,
inform?
please.
So we have the plan. For each plant, how much land is needed, and what is the area needed, and how many plants we want to sow, and so that we have already done the homework. So right now the plan is we clear entire 5 acres, all the mullus,
So 5 acres from here is where? Till where?
till the
Kinder-
end of kindergarten.
Kindergarten.
Kindergarten
And on
fence.
the side, the center field this side, and then back side is solar kitchen complex, and the other side is kindergarten, and this is roundabout.
Right.
So we clear the same process we use for clearing the entire 5 acres, and then we have then we have markings. Right now we don't have markings by ATDC because they can't approach the place. How do we mark them? So then they'll do the markings. Then we do the landscape design, and then we start working on the land. And in the meantime, we arrange for permanent electricity, wastewater, and fresh water. And then we start planting. In nursery, we start with nursery and a small workplace, and then we start planting that in the planting area. So that's the plan about going in the land, and slowly we have other infrastructures coming up. That's the initial plan, and we have all these project stages, phases, every ready, cost element and all that is also ready
Right.
in the planning, because we've been working on this project for last 3 years.
Right.
More than that.
Permanent garden.